So, hi dear Leo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising for singles for the rest of the month of June 2026. Please keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you. Oh, sorry. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono master class, two links are given below. I was about to say I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. Don't know from where I got it. Anyways, let's start. Leo, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. We have the Six of Wands, the Hanged Man, and the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Okay, there's a lot of self-love, self-care, self-healing going on, and there is a lot of compassionate, loving, nurturing kind of energy that's coming out of you from for everything and everyone actually right now at this present moment, because right now you are very much in touch with your spiritual side, or you can say very much in touch with your heart and soul. That is why this energy of love, care, compassion is actually coming out of you for everything and everyone around you. Six of Wands and the Hanged Man and the Hierophant here. You guys are trying your best to keep yourself at the center of attention of your own world. At the same time, you guys are trying to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle, where you guys are concerned about something that is going to be uh, spiritually equivalent to what you are doing right now, where you have reached in your life, in your spiritual growth, and or something related to your cultural background, belief system, again spiritual goals, and or there might be some kind of father figure kind of energy around you that is influencing your love and relationship area on a deeper level. Now it's different reasons for different people, but your perception, your point of view, and your energies are shifting from what they used to be to this energy of, but I have to think about these things also, right? The things that I just told you 2 minutes ago, 1 minute ago, few seconds ago. Okay, let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond for the rest of the month of June 2026, Leo. I have the Ace of Wands in reverse, the Five of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Cups. There are very good chances of you connecting with somebody in some kind of get together, like a party, or where like minded people are coming together. So, you guys, there are very good chances of you guys connecting with somebody in a social circle or social gathering kind of an energy, but there is going to be lack of initiative. The initial spark is going to be there, but then one of you is going to feel like left out in the cold by the other person, and or one of you is going to be reminded of the past that they had with somebody just like you, or the vice versa. And then there are chances of somebody keeping in touch with you, like there's going to be initial spark, and then there is going to be a lot of hesitation, a lot of this energy of, okay, but what if this is going to happen, what if that is going to happen, this situation sounds similar to the previous one. For very few of you, this could be a person who left you, and or you left them in the rut in the past, and long time ago, maybe like, in fact, 5 8 years ago, right? And there are chances of this person connecting with you, and this time they are going to at least try to keep things cordial, if not a full-fledged relationship or something like that. Hmm. Okay, so you might end up connecting with somebody with whom you had a connection with at some point of time, but very long time ago, minimum 5 years ago. And or for some of you, there is going to be initial spark, but that then one of you is going to hold back, and then you guys are going to take it like, okay, not happening. And still I do see one of you putting in the effort and energy in this direction. Let's see from the Romance Angels oracle for this situation, the message. We have the chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Yes, there is going to be initial chemistry, initial attraction, and then there is going to be this sense of maybe this is just physical chemistry, maybe this is just infatuation, maybe this is not going to go anywhere. So one of you is going to be like, nope, not moving forward there, and the other person is like, okay, at least we can be cordial, at least we can be friends, if not lovers, right? Let's see your energies for a past past person, past connection, past situation that might or might not be a romantic situation in the past. Let's see. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Moon card, the Queen of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. Okay. So somebody is thinking a lot about the situation. They are thinking about you, about the situation, especially when they're alone, and they're thinking long and hard enough about the situation. It's not about just thinking about it. They're like understanding, trying to understand the situation from every possible angle with all of their wisdom, knowledge, experience, and everything that they have gone through in their life till this point of their life. And there's lack of balance in the situation, there's lack of equal give and take of energy in that situation, and there is a lot of mysterious and secretives and full of fear and full of insecurities kind of energy in the situation. There are lots of secrets and there are lots of things that are not clear between you and this past person, but there is still this energy of attraction, infatuation, pull towards each other, but nothing is happening, nothing is moving forward. There is some kind of manifestation also going on in this particular deck. This is also the card of manifestation, creating some kind of magic. So somebody here is trying to manifest this situation back in their life somehow, but there are lots of issues, obstacles, challenges, and blockages in the situation that you guys have to work on. Even if you guys want to still like remain friends only, then also you guys have to work on a lot of factors, a lot of blockages and challenges in the situation. Okay, let's see message here for this past person, past connection, past bond. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type of expectation. Maybe this person in this energy is not your soulmate, and your true soulmate is going to differ from your usual type and your usual expectation. So it doesn't mean that you're never going to get the person that you should be in your life. Doesn't mean that you're never going to get the lover that you deserve in your life, Leo, because things are not working out right now in your love and relationship area. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Leo. I have the Four of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. See, you're looking forward to have a happily ever after kind of a deal, a person, a situation that you can rely on, that you can create a family with. But at the same time, you're holding on to some kind of negativity. It has become your belief system that even if you are going to go ahead, something is going to work out for some time and then boom, it's going to end. So what is the use of even going in that direction? What is the use of even trying? What is the use of even opening up to anything or anyone when I know all I'm going to get in return is hurt and pain, when I know all I'm going to get in return is something that I will not be able to manage? Okay, so you want love, you are looking forward to have it, but you're holding on to some kind of negative belief here that is continuously creating some kind of issues in your relationship area again and again and again. It's like a repetitive cycle. It's like a never-ending cycle, and it's coming straight out from your belief system. It's not like some external forces are not allowing you to move forward. It simply means that there is some kind of belief system of yours that you're holding on to like crazy, and until unless you guys are going to reprogram your subconscious mind, until unless you guys are going to let go of this belief system of yours that you're holding on to this much tightly, nothing is ever going to change. Whether it's going to take you 10 days, 10 years, 100 years, I don't care. There is a very strong belief system here, a negative one that you're holding on to, that this is supposed to be like this only. Like love is supposed to be painful only, connections are supposed to hurt you only. So this is not the truth. This is your truth that your mind has created for yourself. It's not the ultimate truth. The ultimate truth is that all of us deserve love, and according to our belief system, according to our vibrations and energies from inside, we are going to get the results in the outside world. That is the truth. That is the ultimate truth. Let's see the final message as the guidance for you guys for this area of your life, for the situation. जाना तो जाता आता है, सपनों से जाता नहीं. We have stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. See, if you are going to continuously hold on to a negative belief or something that you know is not the ultimate truth, guess what you are going to get in return? And that too again and again and again in repetitive cycles. You guys have to stay optimistic, and you guys have to start thinking positive in this area of your life. Until unless you guys are going to feed yourself with full optimism and full energy of yes, I deserve it, and yes, I know it's on the way, you guys are never going to get it. No matter, again, no matter how, like, it's going to 10 days, 10 years, 10 weeks, 10 months, 100 years, I don't know, I don't care. That's what I'm getting here for you guys, Leo, for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.